Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Previous two classes I have given some dictation words, 20 dictation words for dictation I have given. All of you done in copy the 20 words and practiced it well? Okay. Then today also I am giving you 10 more words, okay, from the two lessons, from lesson 1 and lesson 2. So these 30 words, today 10 words I will give, then 30 words you should write in classwork copy and learn its spellings, okay. Words for dictation. Number 1, millionaire. millionare, millionaire. Number 2, patience. patience, patience. Number 3, preparation. preparation, preparation. Then number 4, determination. determination, determination. Number 5, puppy. puppy, puppy. Number 6, bread. bread, bread. Okay, bread, bread. Number 7, hay. hay, hay. hay. Number 8, barley. barley, barley. Number 9, oats. oats, oats. Number 10, rabbit. rabbit, rabbit. Okay. So 30 words, total 30 words are there. Today 10 words. These 10 words also you write in your classwork copy and practice. How will you practice? Write each words at least 10 times in practice copy. In this way you have to practice the spellings. Okay. Clear all of you? In classwork copy first write, then practice copy you have to practice. Then our two lessons over, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Everything, question answer, fill in the blanks, then grammar portion, every vocabulary portions, everything over, everything I have given. Then today onwards we will start our revision. Okay, already I started the revision. That means by writing rhyming words and words for arranging the words in alphabetical order yesterday and day before yesterday, rhyming words also given, no? So this revisions work you have to do in your practice copy or revision copy. Revision work you don't do in classwork copy, okay, in practice copy. So today we will start by learning the question answer, revising the question answer of lesson 1, okay, Pedro's chapter, lesson 1. So take out your classwork copy now. You have written the question answer in classwork copy now. So take out your classwork copy. Answer the following questions. Two questions today I will discuss. Then the two questions you have to learn. And next day the next. Okay. Then the coming week I will give you questions for examination. Okay. Then look. Who was Pedro? Answer the following questions. Who was Pedro? Who was Pedro? Pedro कौन था? Who was Pedro? So very simple answer we know. Who was Pedro? Pedro was a famous artist who was born in Spain. Who was Pedro? Pedro was a famous artist. What is artist? What is meant by artist? One who draw pictures or paints pictures. Okay. That person is known as artist. So our Pedro was a famous artist. Famous means well known, widely known, mostly known. That means all people know him because he was a because he drew beautiful paintings. That is why he became famous. Okay. So Pedro was a famous artist who was born in Spain. Where he born? In Spain, in the country Spain, he born. What is the meaning of born? B-O-R-N, born. That you call in Hindi, Janam Hua. No. So born in Spain. Okay. So Pedro was a famous artist who was born in Spain. Very simple answer. So this answer you have to read at least 5 times. Then write 5 times in practice copy. Okay, by looking you can write 5 times. Then the sixth time you close your copy and write without looking, sixth time. So that time you can write without any spelling mistake and most clearly you can write. Okay, understand? So in this way you have to practice it. Okay, then what is the second question? Second question, why was the woman an admirer of Pedro's work? Why was the woman an admirer of Pedro's work? What is the meaning of admirer? Admirer means fan, great fan. Okay, not ceiling fan, fan, F-A-N, fan, fan or follower. Fan means follower. Okay, so the woman, we have learned about a woman in this lesson, no? So that woman was a great fan or great admirer of Pedro. Okay, great follower of Pedro. Why? Why she became a great fan or great admirer of Pedro's work? Pedro's work means Pedro's paintings. Why? What is the answer? The woman was a great admirer of Pedro's work because his paintings were very beautiful or his works were very beautiful. If his works are not beautiful, no one will like him. Okay, no one will like his paintings or work. The woman became or woman was a great admirer or great fan of Pedro's work because paintings were very beautiful. That is the answer. Okay, very simple answer this too. Why was the woman an admirer of Pedro's work? The woman was an admirer of Pedro's work because his works or his paintings were very beautiful. Okay, so these two very simple two questions I have given. So this you have to write in your practice copy at least 5 times. Then learn spellings. Okay, understood? Then next day I will give the next question answer. Okay, understand? Bye.